Secondary surveillance radar, or SSR, is used to gather information about an aircraft. It involves a ground station that sends an interrogation signal to an aircraft's radar transponder, which replies by transmitting the requested data. Also known as identification friend or foe, SSR sends a series of accurately placed pulses, and these pulse trains require precise timing and power level measurements. Using the PMX40 RF power meter with the RTP5000 series of USB RF power sensors, Boonton provides more accurate power measurements and exceptional waveform fidelity with its class-leading rise time, time resolution, and acquisition speed to determine more exact, complex, and secure SSR signals. Rise time is the time it takes a signal to rise from a specified low value to a specified high value, which is typically the transition from 10% to 90% of the pulse magnitude. Boonton's superior rise time allows for clean and crisp leading edges of pulses within the waveform, and permits the user to pick a more accurate starting point on the leading edge of the pulse. The pulse train of SSR signals contains deliberately placed notches that rely on clear-cut timing in order to determine the requested information. The 5 nanosecond time base and 100 picosecond cursor resolution from Boonton allows for very precise timing of measurements for the notches within the waveform. In addition, Boonton's acquisition speed of 100,000 measurements per second enables less noisy waveforms, as well as precise power readings and the depiction of cleaner waveform details, such as droop. Pulsed waveforms can also be saved and recalled for later comparison, which may show power level changes and response delays over time. If using the PMX40 and associated sensors, this comparison can be used to perform remote periodic checks, ensure the proper function of new SSR sequences, and support a more proactive monitoring approach for SSR systems. Boonton's PMX40 RF power meter and high-performance USB RF power sensors provide accurate power measurements, precise timing, and waveform fidelity to meet the complex needs of SSR systems through industry-leading rise time, time resolution, and acquisition speed.